My dad is at the back alley of the house. I'm gonna go and check him out. There's a bunch of delivery guys just passed by. Everyone's just ordering food online nowadays. Bored. My aunt went out to buy some paint because the wall at the back alley is the coat of the wall is starting to peel off. And I couldn't follow because they only allow one person in the car each time. It's been like since maybe like 2 years since we actually painted the walls. And yes, I am in my closet with a torchlight. It's been a while since I actually got out, but yeah, I haven't even ride on this penny board for a very long time because like Malaysia is just not a suitable place for skateboards. Like the roads are damn rocky. It just keeps on shaking non-stop, and I seriously shouldn't be outside right now, but it's just a short skate to the back of the house. I feel like such a creep just being out here because like there's literally no one and it's so quiet besides me skateboarding on the road. And I don't think it's a really good idea, but let's just get on with it. Funny you.
如果你記住你都 O 出來嘅，
Why?
會啲水波到尾，都會大家唔該啦。
Nah, boy. How are you painting?
You want buy this color?
Why is it this color?
Don't paint this paint lah.
Of all the color, you pick this color. Oh my god.
What to do? Sudah kali.
It's only a 10-second ride from here, what? No, it's a short ride. Come on. Bye bye. Oh, it's windy today. Going back to the house, gonna get some bagel to eat. It's raining right now. I hope it don't destroy the painting. The weather just changed like in 10-minute times from really sunny weather to a freaking rainy weather. It's crazy. It's raining already, Eva. Your paint dry already.
Huh?
Your paint dry already, man. Then how? You won't get wet, man. I'm gonna quickly go back right now. It's starting to rain. It's starting to pour. The rain has finally stopped. I'm actually kind of glad it started raining because the smell, the pungent smell of the paint is like lingering in the air, and since my room is just right above the back alley, it makes my room smell so bad. It's like pungent and it just makes me want to it makes me very nauseous. I love it when the rain just stops and everything becomes so damn cooling everywhere. Like, oh my god. Hope it didn't really destroy the paint though. Yoga.